Hey everyone, welcome to my brand new course, AI for Beginners with Python. If you have ever wondered how ChatGPT, self driving cars, or face recognition actually work, this course is for you. In this first video, we'll understand what artificial intelligence really means, how it works, and how it's used in real world. Let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence is basically the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It means we design computers or systems that can think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. For example, when your phone suggests words while typing or YouTube recommends videos, that's AI at work. AI isn't just one thing, it's a big umbrella that includes different fields like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision. A lot of people get confused between these terms. So let's make it clear. Think of AI as the whole cake, machine learning as one slice of that cake, and deep learning as an ingredient inside that slice. Let's understand one more example. AI, a chess playing computer. ML, it learns move by studying past games. And DL, it uses neural networks to predict the next move. AI learns by finding patterns in data. It's just like how we humans learn from examples. This is obviously a very small and silly example, but real AI models do the same thing on a massive scale using millions of data points. Now that you know what AI is, let's look at where it's being used today. It is used in fields like healthcare, finance, education, entertainment, transportation, chatbots. So, yes, AI is literally everywhere, and Python is the most popular language to work with it. Throughout this series, we'll go step by step, starting from Python basics and going all the way to training your own AI models. By the end, you'll be able to build simple AI projects and understand how big systems like ChatGPT work internally. That's it for today's video. In the next one, we'll set up Python and all the tools you'll need to start coding AI models yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss episode 2. Thanks for watching and welcome to the world of AI. A question for you. Where do you see AI most often in your life? Comment below. I'd love to read your answers.